Hey guys, welcome to TechCity. Delarza Koje is my name, and today I'm going to be unboxing and maybe even my first impressions on the Tecno Spark 2. When you hear Spark 2, you know there definitely was a Spark 1. I mean, I'm not sure if there will be 3 Sparks in the future or 4 Sparks or whatever, but here we are, Spark 2. I will let you know what the box comes packed with and perhaps what you should be looking out for, okay? Now, this device is one of Tecno's most recent releases. In fact, it drops this month, June. So, as we go along on this unboxing and first impressions video, how about we play a game of try not to show your face? Yes, we've seen very less of my face in this video today because I think you should see the device more. First off, I want to see what the box comes packed with, like I mentioned before, and I will try to just tear it apart. Okay, my finger is not doing a good job exactly. Let me try my earrings. Okay, so now that we have that out of the way, upon opening the box, the first thing that you're visited with is the device itself, which looks pretty okay. However, I kind of have to mention the info layer of the screen nylon thing on the device looks a bit too colorful. But yes, we take that off and yeah, that's the device. Now, when we take that aside, you look at other accessories that the device comes with. It's got an earpiece and then of course the USB cord and then the power plug. Further, we see the Boomplay card, the 12-month warranty card. Awesome, an extra protective case. I love how they literally always come through for this. And I remember in one of my previous videos, I did say they have kind of come to own getting extra protective cases packed in their boxes, and that's pretty amazing. The device comes with 6 inches of full display. That's a lot of real estate. It's got an 8 megapixels front-facing camera, 13 megapixels rear camera, Mix Flash 2.0. We'll look at that in detail much later. The camera feature comes with a portrait mode. I can't wait to try my hands out on that one. And even more, Face ID. Now, upon turning on the device, we see that it's pretty bright. I have increased the brightness to its maximum level. Looking at the build of the device, the power button is right here, and just above it is the volume rocker. The back panel, premium plastic. I just call it premium plast, but it's really nice, feels really good in one's hand. And of course, looking at the SIM tray, taking that out with the SIM tray pin. It's a dual SIM device, and it also has a separate slot for your SD card. That is amazing. So you don't have to compromise having a dual SIM phone for extra storage. Superb. The charging port is just beneath here, the headphone jack. Now, just before I wrap this up, I did mention that I would perhaps share my first impressions about this Tecno Spark 2. And first off, I want to try out the Face ID. Okay, so I have tried the Face ID 3 times and I was not exactly successful. Upon starting up the device, I was asked to register my fingerprint, but well, I think I'm more excited about the Face ID, so I kind of skipped that. So I will come back to this. I'm not sure why it's not exactly working. Let's touch on other things first, and then we'll come back here to try to figure this out. Okay, so the device comes with 16 gig of ROM and 1 gig RAM. Slightly low, maybe a lot, but I think again it's not like a high-end device or anything. It's not flagship. I think it's mid-range, so it's manageable. Yes. Now, it runs on Android's Oreo OS, and it has other very interesting features that I have seen here. Wi-Fi Direct is worthy of note. If you don't know what Wi-Fi Direct is, it's an amazing technology that allows you to send heavy files from one Android device to another. Initially, I used to see it only on one brand of phones, but now that Tecno has it embedded in this Spark 2, I think that's just pretty cool. I love how the device is pretty slim. It might not be the thinnest, but I love how slim it is. It fits very well in your back pockets. See? Lovely. Battery power on the Tecno Spark 2 is at 3,500 mAh. Not so much, but we'll manage it anyway. Let's now go back to the Face ID. Okay, let's try this one more time. So I have tried it with all the studio lights on, and that's not been very successful. So I'm going to try to turn off the lights one after the other until we get this thing sorted. So after literally turning off all the lights in the studio except for one of the softer lights, the Face ID eventually works. I think it's pretty cool. However, registering it is a bit of a task. If it could be simpler, I guess. I mean, it'll be a lot more fun. Now, going to the camera feature on the device, the portrait mode was highlighted on the device on that nylon thing initially, and I'm taking a few pictures. I hope that you are able to enjoy my picture taking. I think that the portrait mode is not that bad. The blur effect is nice, especially when the place is well lit. In a dimly lit environment, it doesn't perform as amazing, but I think it is pretty manageable. I also did a video recording with the front-facing camera. Not sure why I'm not so big on back-facing camera these days, but the front-facing camera does an amazing job of video recording. I like how sharp the video quality is, and that might have something to do with how well lit this place is, but otherwise I think it doesn't perform that bad regardless. So guys, that's about that on our unboxing and first impressions video of the Tecno Spark 2. Thank you so much for watching. Did you enjoy this video? I'm sure that you did. Please subscribe to this channel, share the video, and leave comments in the section right below as well. Let me know what perhaps your thoughts are about this. Are you going to be buying this device? Do you think Tecno is ready for Face ID? Are they ready to have their mid-range devices spot the Face ID technology? Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. For TechCity, I'm Belarus Okoje. Bye for now.